Hello, my name is Saeed and I'd like to welcome you to my group, The Essentials. So I'm going to quickly run through how the group works and how to use it so that you can get the most out of your membership. React for roles. So the first thing you want to do is to visit the React for Roles channel at the top of the server, and when you're here, you want to react to the emoji with the corresponding role. So for example, if you want to receive pings and information regarding Supreme, you would react with the Supreme emoji. Once you've picked your desired roles, it's time to have a look at the categories that we have available for you. Important. The important category is where we post time-sensitive drop information, for example shock drops, and it's also where we provide updates regarding the group, for example new features. The drop reviews channel breaks down the results from every release and allows you to reflect on what software was most impactful on any given drop. Also please note the group buys channel where we drop stock for partnered software and discounted proxies and Gmails. Tickets. The ticket channel is where you can create support tickets and receive tailored one-to-one support with full access to our entire staff team. Let us know what you'd like us to help you with and we'll get back to you with a range of solutions. Guides and bot-specific setups. Our guides category is divided into the many website types that are available to purchase sneakers from and will help you form the bread and butter of your setups. You'll be able to find useful information on your bot setups as well as an understanding of the anti-bot measures on these sites. Use our guides category in combination with our bot-specific setups, which are tailored to the bots you own, to maximize your knowledge on using the expensive software in your arsenal. Detailed release strategies. These are split into US and EU, and this is where you'll make the most of your membership. Our staff team expertly curate polished bot setups into a single release channel and to help you run your bots effectively. We structure our strategies in a way that's easy to follow and understand, and we've had many members hit their first pairs following our exact setups, and others going from hitting occasional pairs to hitting 20, 50 or even 100 pairs per drop. Do not neglect these channels whatever you do. Generic release channels. These channels cover all releases, whether high or low profit or no profit at all, and they're released in a generic format with information on how to secure these pairs. The detail of setups is less in these channels than in our detailed release channels. Early links. Get early product links that you can't find publicly through our scraper to ensure that your setups give you the edge. Not only do we provide early links, but we also provide size variants, which can help further expedite the checkout process. Info channels. These channels offer information on Supreme, Kith, and Palace, and we have our very own Nike plug, who will inform you when a shock drop or stash is about to happen on the sneakers app. Use Frank setups alongside our own release strategies to gain maximum exposure to the various effective setups that are in place for our members. We also have a hold versus sell channel where we guide you on the best time to sell your recent purchases. Restocks. We know that there's not a big drop happening every day, so this category is dedicated solely to running restocks. Use Frank's restocks to help set up tasks for predicted items to restock, and our US and EU restocks to gain further exposure to the different items predicted to restock in different regions of the world. Use our restock information alongside our monitors and bot checkout logs to become the ultimate restock machine. Community. In this category, you can chat with other members and the staff team, and also enjoy our podcast, delivered to you by our very own staff members Atlas305 and davesally. You can also gain member benefits through posting your success in our success channel and earn points which you can stack towards claiming a free month to your membership. We also have a separate EU community category to ensure that EU members can focus on European and UK sites. Monitors and checkout logs. We use Zephyr monitors, which are the gold standard in group monitors. View the different sites that our monitors cover and utilise our keywords pinger to ensure that you never miss a restock. Alongside our website monitors, we also have an array of bot checkout logs which show actual stock being checked out by bots, so you don't fall victim to bait or ghost stock from only using monitors. Partners. Finally, be sure to utilise our partner channels where you can find products that we ourselves use at heavily discounted prices. We're proud to have a fantastic relationship with a number of residential proxy providers, so you can secure resi data at almost retail value. Thank you for joining our team, and we hope you find what we have to offer useful for you. If you've got any questions, please make a ticket and we'll help you find your way.